everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, it's a bit of a chit chat guys. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some photos. You stay with me until the end guys. I'm going to be sharing a birthday celebration. In this video, I won't be in the kitchen, but I'm going to be sharing some photos with you. Just a few seconds of get to know me. If you should ask me words that describe me, words that describe me is that I'm caring, I'm considerate, and I am a peacemaker guys. And also I like to read, I like to learn new things guys, and I am very ambitious, and I like to cook. Yeah, and I like working with people. Let's get into the video. This is me guys, but the photo is ripped, okay? That is me, Faithlin. And this was maybe, I'm not sure, months old before I'm probably 1 year of age. And that is me also. That's Faithlin, okay? And that's another picture here. This is another picture here that I framed. And so guys, I won't be showing you these pictures in order. They're not in order of year, but that's me. I was across the island with my two children, Dwayne and Cherise. They were babies then. You'll see them later on in the video. Grown up, celebrating birthday. And these are just little moments captured before. These are pictures, guys, before the internet. Well, this one was after the internet. This was one Christmas. We went to Niagara Falls. And this picture here is me across, that was, picture was taken at Marineland. And this is the picture I keep promising you guys to show you. The one with, hold on. This is the picture of me at St. Andrew Technical High School, guys. Can you spot me? If you can spot me, guys, comment down below, okay? I won't say which one is me, but if you spot me, then okay, I'll show you which one is me, guys. It's, let me zoom in here. It's this one. That is Faithlin. In the home economic class. This is old, these are like Fuji pictures guys, so it's not so clear, but that's me in the cookery class. We were presenting, okay? I think it was an exam and we had to present what we made. And my friends there. Some of my friends there, just in case they're watching. I don't think they are, but that's Judine on the right, Cheryl next to me, and at your device, Andine is to your left, and Carol Wangsam is on the left. And this is me, guys, one day. That's my sister there on the right. I was that was me in Portmore coming from church, or going to church, I think. This is me, okay? And it's not so clear, but yeah, that's me way back then across the island, the Toronto Island. And this is me after I gave birth to Cherise. Dwayne turned 1 on the day I had Cherise. And hold on, let's see if I can, yeah, that's me in my nightgown. I was, it's either I was about to breastfeed or I had finished breastfeeding. That's Dwayne, the boy, standing there, and Cherise was born the day he turned 1. And this is me, guys, at a wedding in Jamaica. And that dress there, guys, my mom sewed it. Okay, she sewed it. She sewed her clothes, guys. She sewed. My mom also sewed this. Yeah, she sewed her clothes, I forgot to mention. And she sewed my blouse and my skirt. Like, she sews my school clothes, okay? She did a good job sewing. And this is me in Jamaica. This is also me in Jamaica. This is a recent picture, like maybe 5 years. And also this is me when I went across the Niagara Falls. They went to the casino. I went to the casino for the first time. And this photo I love. So guys, yeah, and this is Cherished, my daughter, when she was much smaller. As I said, they're grown up. This is Dwayne and Cherished. Their birthday, so I bought them balloons. They were babies. And this is them across the island. Once across the island one summer, and this is a party I had for them. At that time, Cherished was 2 and Dwayne 3. And this is Dwayne and Cherished. Also, these are baby photos of Dwayne and Cherished. And this is Dwayne. They are grown up. And those are my kids. The party was hosted for Dwayne and Cherished and also for a set of twins. So it was all family and friends gathering, having a great time, and I enjoyed myself, guys. The food was good, and stay with me until the end, okay, guys, so you can see that video. Guys, it's too soon for this. November 2nd, and what is it you're seeing there on the ground, guys? Snow. So guys, it's 4 degrees in Toronto and cloudy. 4 degrees and it's cold. It's not in the minus yet, and I'm freezing already. Celebrating Dwayne and Cherish's birthday. Also the twin girls' birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday
That's good, babe. That's good. That's good. Just cut it in half and you're good. That's for two people right here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, cut it in half, two people.
Guys, it's getting cold out, and yesterday, guess what? Last night coming home from work, guys, it was snowing. And November just started.